Hi vlogs, I hope you all doing fine. Today we will talk about chia seeds, the things that people commonly use to lose the weight. Chia seeds are the seeds of an edible plant called as Salvia hispanica, which belongs to a mint family. Chia seeds are oval and grey with a black and white spots on it and having a diameter of around 2 mm. These seeds also have a huge medical applications in the ancient times as well. Today in this video, I will share with you how it is possible to lose the weight with chia seeds and what are the properties of chia seeds and what are the health benefits of chia seeds. It is a miraculous thing if it causes a weight loss, then what are the properties inside the chia seeds that help you to lose the weight, how does it help and what are the quantity you should take and how much it should be taken to get the maximum benefit from it. There are some other things that you should do along with this. This is going to be a very interesting video. Please watch the complete video to know more, and when you have a complete knowledge on this, then you will understand better. Let's go without any delay. Chia seeds are packed with a lot of nutrients. You get minerals, vitamins, fats and the fibers. Chia seeds contain quercetin, an antioxidant that can reduce your risk of developing a several health disease including the heart disease. And these antioxidants assist your body to fight free radicals. Oxidative stress and the cell damage that are caused by the free radicals. Antioxidants fight the production of the free radicals which can damage the cell molecules and contribute to the aging. There is no such thing that is not getting from chia seeds. You say that the biggest use of chia seeds is that inside one serving of chia seeds you will get 137 calories in it. 137 calories means about 2 tablespoons of chia seeds or 1 ounce or 28 grams of chia seeds. You can say this is a very low calorie diet and no less for healthy nutrients. I am getting another higher benefit of chia seeds because the fiber you get from it is a soluble fiber. Every 100 gram of chia seeds will give you almost 40 grams of dietary fiber. Fiber also help in relieving a bowel inflammation and irritability and helps in regulating the cholesterol levels as well. According to few studies, chia seeds can also lower blood pressure in a people with a hypertension, which is a major risk factor for heart disease. Chia seeds are good for bones. Chia seeds have several nutrients that are vital for bone health, including calcium, magnesium, phosphorus. A single ounce of chia seeds offer around 18% of your daily calcium requirement, which is essential for bone, muscle and nerve health. It is also good for diabetics. As we discussed, chia seeds are high in fiber and the huge spikes in blood sugar levels after a meals may also have adverse health effects. Studies show that the fiber may help you to reduce the insulin level resistance and improve blood sugar levels, reducing your risk of metabolic syndrome and type 2 diabetics. Chia seeds contain good fats. Chia seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are super important. They have a wide range of health benefits from fighting depression to improving sleep, reducing the stress level and reducing the risk of heart disease. Overall, these properties help to reduce the weight if they are consumed regularly with the other healthy diets. I hope you liked this video. And thanks for watching. See you again in the next video.